Hey everybody, this is Ori from OneScales, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use your Chrome to save a little bit more time to figure out if your Cloudflare cache status is hit, if Cloudflare is caching your files. And most importantly, this is just a shortcut. You can do this without this part of the video. I want to show you how to add a custom column right here, a header column, to add that to see if your information is there. So before we had this, what you'd have to do is go to your network, figure out what, reload the page, go to the page itself and check out the headers, and then look for it in the headers. Look for your Cloudflare caching and check out if it's a hit or miss or dynamic or etc. So what we can do here is be able to see, instead of going one by one, clicking one by one, going to the headers, checking one by one, you can easily see it right here as a column. So how do you do this? Short video, very simple. So what you can do is you can go here, and obviously I'm going to be in the network tab, and I'm going to click here on the column itself, any column, doesn't matter, any column, and I'm going to go to response headers, and I'm going to click here on manage header columns. I've already added it, manage headers. Let's do it again from scratch. Okay, so I'm going to click here on any column, response headers, manage header columns, and I'm going to put the exact name of what I'm looking for. So I'm going to click here, add, and that's it. And it's here. You reload it. It's good. So really simply, if you want to have anything else here, for example, if I want to look at the headers and I want to have, for example, the CF array, right, Cloudflare array ID, I can just do that. I just copy that, and then I go here and I can put it in. Custom headers, I add a new header, I put it in. But for this one, this is very important, and I use it a lot for debugging if our elements or our assets are being cached, right? So I can see it very quickly here, one by one. It'll show me for everything. If I click on all and I reload the page, I can see it, and I can sort very quickly, see what's not, what's dynamic, what's missed, etc., etc. Hope you enjoyed this video. We'll be making a lot more technical, non-technical, e-commerce, web, life, and many other videos. If you like this, let me know, subscribe, share with a friend, say hi. Ask in the comments if you have any questions. We're here to make a community. Really appreciate you guys watch this video and many others. Super appreciate it. Thank you guys.